Hi guys, Amy here on my YouTube channel. Today I'll be doing my hair. So yeah, so I've got my new hairdryer here, isn't it beautiful? My new pink hairdryer, really good. So now I'm gonna open this up very gently and then put it in. We've got lots of different. Got the plug. We've got this bit. We've got the actual hairdryer. This is so pretty, guys. I actually just love it. So let's plug it in. So I need to undo the little twisty.
Stop. That's my thing. Show me your face.
Guys, you might want to skip a bit whilst I'm drying my hair. It's going to. In fact, actually, I won't dry my hair on camera. So then you don't have to skip like half the video. It won't take ages. Just get plug in.
What is Amy doing?
Plugging in my hairdryer. Ow. Hi. Right, so guys, I'm about ready now.
So guys.
Okay, right, so I'm going to turn it on. So guys, I'm going to pause the video now so then I can dry my hair. What are you guys doing?
Oh, that's how you pause the video.
It won't work on,
that's an
so
iPhone 11 Android.
I'll see you soon.
Bye.
So guys, this is my hair right now. It's not completely dry, but look how much of a result I got. It's getting so dry so fast. And so this side of my head is actually dry right now. So it is really going well. So yeah. It's going good. Still like producing.
What the hell are you doing?
Producing heat. Feel.
That's the one you just got to.
It's not even on. Do it to your face.
My foot literally touched your face. No.
So guys, I'm going to pause the video once more so then I can dry it quick. So 3, 2, 1. So guys, my hair is like dry pretty much now. So I'm going to go find a hairbrush so then I can brush on my hair. So see you then. So guys, I found my hairbrush. It says mermaids. I don't even know. It's got to do with mermaids, though.
Let me read it. Oh, I can't read it. Amy, can you at least close the door when you walk back in?
Do it while I do it. Sorry guys. So just trying to brush my hair now, so it's a bit knotty, so I'm just gonna get off camera and then get all the knots out and then come back. So be back in a minute. So guys, I've brushed all of my hair now, so I'm looking a bit better and fresher. So now I'm going to bring, oh god. So now I'm going to bring my phone up here on my desk. So I need.
Welcome to her channel, everyone.
So I'm going to go get a scrunchie. So guys, now I've got my scrunchie and a hair bobble because that's what I need. So
Is that your bubble?
that's one of them now.
Hello.
So now I just need to brush all my hair, and then so I need these front bits here.
Yeah.
So now I'm just putting my
Wait, is this like...
guys, don't forget that I'm on
Yeah. Oh, where can we get off?
so now I've just got my little bobbly bit. So now I'm going to grab a scrunch.
Hi. Good, what about yours? UK. The UK.
England.
England. Yeah. Bye.
So guys, my hair is all knotted again, so I have to get that knot out very, very quickly. So that's taken out. Oh. So I'm just brush
Bye.
this backwards.
Said bye, not
And brown. And then I've got to kind of rip my hair sometimes, guys. And yes, it does hurt a lot. So now I'm just putting my hair in this scrunchie here. Like so.
Kai, you have loads of room. Doesn't Kyla have loads of room? Because I can't really see. Turn that on. Hi. I can't see.
Okay, yeah, we're coming in a minute. So guys, let me just and then I'll put that to the side like that. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it. I'm sorry if you didn't see a few little clips, but I love you all. Well, don't forget to like, subscribe, turn the notification bell on to see Gems and in my videos, and please give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. So that's all for today, guys. Bye.